My first ever get ready with me to take Lulu to the doctor. Starting with the Elemis Balancing Lavender Toner Spray. As a skin prep, True and Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer Base. This is probably going to be in a couple parts too, because I got a lot of stuff going on today. Just using this brush to spread out that base. Now I'm going to take a little tiny bit of the foundation I'll be wearing today, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. I just like to put a little tiny bit so that I don't wind up with a line of demarcation. Like literally this much. This is such a good foundation. It's such a good shade too. I'm trying not to move out the way of this light because it's so bright. I don't want it to blind y'all, but yeah. So Louis, if y'all don't remember, last year in the summer, he got sick. His little gallbladder had to come out because it ruptured, and Louis was already on thyroid medicine then. It was all kind of confusion about, was it actually his thyroid or was it his gallbladder that was causing all these issues? Precisely My Brow from Benefit in shade 5, my favorite eyeliner pencil of all time. Today we're just gonna go and get his blood checked to make sure everything is back to normal and make sure the medications we're giving him is working and everything. So he loves his doctor, but he's had his doctor. He's seen the same doctor from the first time I took him to a doctor. His original doctor actually wound up retiring. She already had that practice for a long time when Louis was born. So by the time, now, like I said, he's 12, she had retired. So, but his new doctor, I say new, but she's been his doctor for probably like 7-8 years. He loves her. He has a crush on her. So yeah, so I think it's like important to keep Louis with the same everything because I don't want him to ever get uncomfortable, especially with something like the doctor where it's such a big deal. That's why he's been seeing the same doctor his entire life. Goof Proof Brow Pencil. All of these are in shade 5, by the way, because, you know. Yeah, so today just going to the doctor, I didn't want a crazy look because, like, girl, I don't want to get there and people like, where is she going? Like, we're just doing blood work for her puppy. But I am excited because even though I have a headache right now, it's not. I used to have such bad anxiety that when I would take Louis to the doctor, I would get so sick that I couldn't even bring him because I'd be so nervous they were going to say something was wrong or, you know, we were going to have to deal with some kind of craziness. And I think after this summer, after something was really wrong and we all had to deal with it, especially me because I'm his mom. So I was the one on the phone all night with the doctors and making all these decisions and stuff. So I think after that, I started to realize there's a lot of stuff we can handle. So I don't know, I guess I realized that I can handle stuff. I can handle a bad situation with him and we can fix it. I'm just back combing my brows on the front to get a little fade. Yeah, so that's what the plan is today. The Benefit Highbrow. I just want to get a little teeny tiny highlight on my brows. And he isn't feeling good, but he's been having tummy problems. He's been throwing up and he just doesn't want to eat sometimes. But I don't know if any of y'all have Yorkies, but like they are so stubborn. If Louis doesn't want to eat that or he decided he wants to eat something else, then there's really nothing any of us can do about it except wait it out until he's ready to eat. Because sometimes my baby will be stubborn and just be like, I'm not eating that. So now that works with my mom. My mom will keep giving him stuff till he eats something. But here with mama, he knows he gets one shot. Like I give him this treat and I'm like, if you don't want to eat this treat, then you're not gonna get a treat today. He's such a sweet boy though. I love that little boy so much. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go and do my eyeshadow. I'll be right back. All right, so now for liner and lashes, I think I want to go with Marc liner, so I don't have to do too much to it because I'm tired. I was gonna try the Ariana Grande eyeliner, the way she does it, where she just does the wing first, then she just connects it, but I don't. We try it? Yeah, let's try it today. Mine is not connecting. What am I doing wrong? It's okay, I guess. Oh, it's okay. That's good. I just changed my wing up so much that it's like, oh, that's pretty. I like this one. I'm gonna go back, thicken the other one up a little bit. But yeah, so today I'm just gonna do my go-to simple Yorkie mommy looks today. Liner looks good. For lashes today, I'm gonna do Marc Jacobs Velvet Primer and Velvet Noir Mascara. Trying to let this liner, and the liner I used was the Tarte Sex Kitten liner. I love that eyeliner, y'all. It's good. Now the Velvet Primer from Marc Jacobs. And since I'm using a mascara primer today, I'm going to just apply that and let it dry a little bit before I try to apply the mascara. Marc Jacobs mascaras, y'all, are like the truth. Like, I love their mascaras. I can't believe they went out of business. Like, Marc Jacobs Beauty was my, oh, I love Marc Jacobs Beauty. I just roll at the bottom and then I'll wiggle up. So I'm gonna let that dry down. Today looks like we're gonna do double Porefessional. We're gonna do the Porefessional Pore Filling Primer. Both of these are Benefit. I know y'all know that, but I'm so glad Louis' appointment is so late today because I had a headache this morning again. But my headaches haven't been quite as bad as they used to be. I think mostly due to the infrared light that's actually back there on the table. Y'all can't see it from here, but then we got the Porefessional Hydrating Primer. Primer's done. Let's put some foundation on. When I don't do color correct concealer, it depends on the foundation, but usually if I don't do color correct concealer, I'll do a brush instead of a sponge. Japanese Beauty foundation brush. Foundation, obviously. I'm going to just put a pump on here. Y'all, the Anastasia foundation. That was a BoxyCharm choice, if I remember correctly, and I chose well because I love this. It's really good. So, and applying foundation this way is actually a lot quicker, but there are some foundations, no matter how fast I need to apply them, they don't work well with a brush. This one is pretty adaptable. Massive bottle of Shape Tape, y'all. They had this at HSN online, like the shopping network or whatever. And my mom called and was like, they have the biggest bottle of Shape Tape I've ever seen. Do you want one? I was like, of course, Mom. She knows that's been my favorite concealer for like a long time. I'm going to let that concealer set. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara. Velvet Noir mascara from Marc Jacobs Beauty. R.I.P. The company, not the man. I don't know what's up with Marc Jacobs, but I mean, this mascara, y'all, I love it. Let the record show that I love it. That one and the At Lash. Chef's Kiss. Beauty blender from the Cream Shop. Cream Shop really surprised with how good their sponges are. Like, I had no idea. And since this is not for a video or anything, we're not doing like a cream contour and a cream highlighter or any of that. All right, y'all, I have this little ABH concealer in shade 6.0, and I'm just going to put that over my scar and where I have some little acne situations going on here under my nose and a few other places since we didn't do color correct concealer. Is it too dark? It's darker than me, huh? Blend that out a little bit with the beauty blender here. Y'all see how bright it is under my eye? Oh, I love that stuff. Love Shape Tape. I know it's a lot for some people, but Shape Tape is like, it's just so freaking good. I don't know what to tell you. ABH Loose Setting Powder and, yeah, Translucent. So, and I'm going to do what I call baby bakes. I'm going to take the slanted side of this sponge. I take a little bit of powder and I'll press it. And I will let that sit there literally while I put the cap back on. And then I blend it into the rest of my makeup. I don't know what it is about this brush, y'all. I love this brush as a powder brush. I'm going to use Kylie. We're Going Shopping. Cute little blush. Japanese Beauty blush brush. I don't know why Japanese Beauty went out of business. Like, I love their brushes. Okay, so this little Lorac Petite Pro contour palette. Oh, it's so good. How cute is that? It's the cutest little palette I've ever seen in my life. I'm going to go with Dark Sculpt, which, y'all, it's dark. So I'm not going to put too much. I learned my lesson last night. I was like, oh my goodness. Okay, so we are talking powder contour, but we are talking contour nonetheless. Yeah, y'all see what I'm saying? KVD Vegan Beauty. I don't know what it's called anymore. This is actually a Lock-It concealer brush, but I use it for contouring my nose because it's like perfect for contouring my nose. See that? Bronzer, I'm going to go with the Sepia Contour, which is right here in the middle. All right, highlighter today. Let's go with Ofra Rodeo Drive, the infamous Jaclyn Hill highlighter brush. Jaclyn Cosmetics J02. Watch. Nice. So with the face, we're just about done. Just going to curl them real quick. If y'all notice how much time I let pass between the two of them, I never curl my lashes like wet. You got to make sure they're dry because you can pull your lashes out if you don't do it that way. So, and what I do is and then I kind of press it. So pump, 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 and then I press down here. Feeling like a nude as always. I'm just doing one more coat of mascara, but then this one I'm not going to do anything with. I'm just going to leave it like this. We're using ABH, so we'll do an ABH lippy today. Let's do Ashton with maybe a little bit of stripped in the middle. Oh, crush. Okay, I know people say you're not supposed to, or you shouldn't have to do a lip liner with a liquid lipstick, but am I the only one that always does that? Am I crazy? Maybe I'm crazy. I don't know. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's go with Staunchly Stylish from MAC. So it's MAC Longwear Lip Liner in Staunchly Stylish. Oh, this is nice and spicy. I'm sorry, not whatever I said it was. ABH liquid lipstick in Ashton. Crush in the center. All right, gotta wrap up this look. We're gonna go back with a quick little set finishing powder dip of my Anastasia Beverly Hills translucent powder. I need my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. Again, sticking in the Benefit family for the brows today. ABH Dewy Set. And that's it. All right, y'all, last but not least, quick spritz of Woody Raspberry from Dossier. I don't know what this one is supposed to be. Okay, so tell me what y'all think about the Get Ready With Me format, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.